Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to transfer money to your bank account from Botim. So let's get started. First open Botim app, then click on withdraw. You can see there is two option. One is Ani, another is IBAN number. Okay, so if you want to transfer instantly, you have to choose Ani. Otherwise IBAN will take 1 to 2 business days. So I am transferring with Ani. Okay, select Ani, then click proceed to withdraw and type the amount how much you want to transfer to your bank. I want to transfer 100 dirham. Okay, then click on proceed to withdraw. Now you can see my balance has been deducted, and also I got a message from Botim that my transfer to bank has been completed. So guys, if you think this video was helpful, please make sure you subscribe to my channel.